Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G41. In this video I'll show you how to edit camera modes. In the beginning, enter Camera and tap on this 3 horizontal lines button. If you want to add modes to your homepage of the camera, simply tap and hold on Mode and drag it to this lower bar. If you want to remove mode from homepage of the camera, do the same thing but reversed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.